Good morning and welcome to another day. We are filling up the fresh water, leaving Munistique, Michigan, and starting to head, well, I'll tell you about that in a minute. Well, we did not make it very far. We settled about 45 miles south of where we were. We're now in the town of Manistique at Indian Lake State Park. We have a beautiful campsite. We're right on the lake. We have 50 amp service and it's only $29 a night. Today's meant to be a pretty slow day, a catch-up day. We have to plan these in every once in a while. So we are headed to the laundry. We've got this big utility basket that is about full. And so today it looks like sheets and towels, the whole 9 yards.
Yep. Laundry day.
But after laundry, we get to go here. Tell them where that is.
Ancient, mysterious Kitch-iti-kipi, big spring, ride the raft.
Say it again, what's it called?
Big spring. The Kitch-iti-kipi.
Kitch-iti-kipi.
I've never heard that before.
And Kitch-iti-kipi is supposed to be the largest...
Michigan's largest freshwater spring.
Huh, we didn't even know it was here, but it's 9 miles away, and so we're gonna do laundry and try to head over there and see what the spring's all about.
So the story behind this place is that this guy, this chieftain guy, or chief or whatever you call it, his girlfriend screwed him over by killing him, pretty much. It's supposed to be about a young Native American chieftain, however you say it, whose girlfriend got the best of him. He told her he loved her far above the other maidens. Prove it, she insisted. So to test his devotion, she was to leap from an overhanging branch, and he was to catch her from his canoe, proving his love. He took his fragile canoe onto the icy waters looking for her. The canoe tipped over and he drowned. As it turned out, she was back at her village with the other maidens, laughing about his frivolous quests. According to legend, the spring was named Kitch-iti-kipi in memory of the young chieftain who went to his death in the icy waters in an attempt to satisfy the vain whim of his lady love.
Moral of the story? You're gonna need a better canoe.
We're at Flodine's laundromat in Manistique. Yeah, get the clothes washed. What you got there, E?
Clothes.
Whole mess of them.
Yep.
Can you carry that?
Probably.
I can't lie to you, I fell asleep in the laundromat. Actually, I came out into the car and slept in the car. And now we rode over to the next big site to see in Manistique.
It is the
Oh, go ahead.
Paul Bunyan and his buns.
And his buns. Paul Bunyan and his buns. Now, I couldn't get out of the truck for that one.
I wish I didn't.
Oh my goodness.
Any more sights?
Oh, on the way,
Mom,
yeah. We got
there's
another,
more on the
another
way.
big surprise.
Another big surprise for you.
When we leave here.
Kids, what did you think of Paul Bunyan?
I've seen bigger.
I have.
So I got us in a bit of a situation today. We have a holiday coming up, July 4th. Today's July 2nd. And we don't know where we're staying for July 3rd and 4th or beyond. A lot of times this can work out on a typical weekday, but when you have a holiday coming up, chances are very slim. So on our way out today to do laundry, I stopped in at the office to find out if this site was available for the next 2 nights. And it was, but I wasn't ready to commit yet, so I told them we'd go do laundry, I'd come back, and I realized I was taking my chances. We really could have used a couple of days to just kind of sit here and relax. You can see the site behind us is beautiful, and it would have been nice just to have a couple of slow days. When we got back from laundry, found out that tomorrow night this site was taken. So you snooze, you lose. We're scrambling a little bit. We're not going to quite get the rest that we wanted to get, but I did get on the phone and started looking at what's ahead. And I do now have reservations after trying 10 different places down at Hartwick Pines, which is south of here in the Mitten portion, about 3 hours south of us. They had one site left. Now for tonight we're cooking dinner, and then we're gonna have to go out and see that natural spring that I was telling you about. We threw dinner down, we're getting out of the truck and headed to Kitch-iti-kipi Springs. Kitch-iti-kipi. Well, what is it? Kitch-iti-kipi.
I don't know what the name of it is, so don't ask me.
Kitch-iti-kipi something.
Kitch-iti-kipi National Park, State Park.
State Park.
State Park.
You just get on it and go?
I think we missed our moment to go.
Oh. Dad forgot his
Hi.
regular glasses.
They're boarding
Thank you.
now.
I'm boring now?
They're boarding now.
Oh. Thought you were saying I was boring on the channel. I am. Here we are at Kitch-iti-kipi.
See that fish over there?
We paid $7.95 for our tickets. Ooh.
Oh, I'm moving the boat.
Is it hard?
A little bit.
Yep, we moved a little. I think it's just the water.
That's neat.
What's on that fish? Look, a tag or
Tag.
something, huh? It is, isn't it?
Okay, I don't know how to
Get ready. Gotta wait.
All right, people, what did we think?
It was cool.
Yeah,
It is.
really cool. Kitch-iti-kipi on a scale from 1 to 10.
Kitch-iti-kipi. Kitch-iti.
I give it a
7.
7.5.
7.5.
I'll give it
However,
a 7.
if you've ever been to Florida and been to Wakulla Springs, you need to do that.
Yeah, Wakulla Springs in Florida in the Panhandle.
You know, that's where they filmed part of the,
Tarzan's.
well, no, the
Tarzan.
Black Lagoon.
Creature from the Black
Creature from the
Lagoon.
Black
What do you
Lagoon.
mean?
Yeah, but that's not where we are.
No,
We're
it's
at
not.
Kitchy
I'm just
Kitchy.
saying.
Itchy Itchy Moo La
This
La.
is pretty.
Pretty
Yeah.
lady Marmalade.
We're in Wisconsin.
We're not in Wisconsin.
I know, but they think they are.